Well, hello everyone, it's Rincon Steve. Just giving you a progress report on our latest project here. We've been doing a little demo upstairs and just want to show you what it's like up there. So of course the flooring is one of the first things to go, and hallway had tile which was glued down pretty good, but we managed to get that up. You can see actually there's some of it that runs into the bathroom that I left. And if you remember, this is the master bedroom. We took the, I guess it was like vinyl plank. It was coming all apart. So we've pulled that up, took down the closet doors. We don't like the glass, mirror, brass. So we'll probably just put bifolds like that back up there. Now going a little more work done in the guest room, which will become our office. Took the carpet up in here, you can see, and I also tore out the closet. And we did that just to give us more room for our desk. We'll put a desk across there. This cabinet is sitting right there too on the hallway side. So we pulled that out. That was right there. I'm going to cut that in a third, take a third of it off, and I'm going to remount it probably right here. So it'll go right up the ceiling. Give us a little linen closet here, because the laundry, if all goes well, still working on the permits, will be here, so that'll be quite convenient. All right everyone, it's day 2 of our demo. I've been focusing downstairs. All right, looking from the patio into the living room, we got all the, not all of it, but yeah, like one more load maybe. You got a little bit in the closet to do. Pulled up that. I've taken down the cabinets. It's the back side of one of them. And so later today I'm going to be tearing into the soffit here so we can see what's going on with the plumbing. And because we know the laundry is going above that, so we got to get to the drain and the water lines up in there. I'm actually thinking of taking that whole soffit down. As you can see, we've got the heat grill, and then those two openings. I took grates off those. Those are the return. That's where the furnace sucks air from. What we're considering doing is just getting rid of that. At one time, this was closed off with a wall here and a bunch of cabinets, and that was why they needed a heat vent there. But I think with this all opened up, the heat, this duct comes from over there. I think we can just put it against the wall over there and move the return line upstairs. So I think that would look a whole lot better with that gone. I think that's possible, but we'll look into it. We'll explore to see what's what. Just take you outside real quick here. Kind of patio becoming the catch-all of our crap. But I've got my trailer over here, and we're just getting that stuff loaded up for the dump.